Good day, our lovely learners! Welcome to our channel. In this video, you are going to dive into some stative verbs which can be used in continuous form. Stay with us and find out more about English grammar. After this video, the free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of the rule. Let's get started. Let's start with refreshing our memory what the stative verbs are. Stative verbs are verbs which describe states, not actions, and among these verbs are verbs which define mental activity, perception of what we see, hear, smell or taste, verbs which describe expressions, feelings and emotions, and some others. Usually we use stative verbs in the present simple, but in some cases we might use some state verbs in the present continuous tense. And some of them will have different meanings depending on how we use them. Let's consider the verb from the mental activity group, think. I use think when I express my opinion or belief of something and I use the present simple. For example, I think going to the zoo is a good plan for spending time. But when I'm expressing my process of thinking about something, my reflection, it could be a problem or a situation, I use think in the present continuous form. For example, I'm thinking of leaving my job, I don't like it anymore. In the first example, think is my belief, and in the second example, think is a mental process. The verb have or has we could use in both tenses. Please compare. I have a car. In this sentence, I'm the owner. My car is my possession. I'm having dinner. It means that I'm in the process of eating. In the first example, I was talking about my possessions and I used the present simple. And in the second example, I was talking about the process and I used the present continuous. Another verb which can be used in both tenses is the verb see. I can see the sun from my room. In this sentence, the sun was visible from my room and I was talking about my ability to see it. I'm seeing the doctor next week. In this sentence, I'm talking about my plans for the future. So, the verb see in the present simple is used to talk about ability, and in the present continuous, the verb see is used to talk about future plans. Taste is another verb which can be seen in both tenses. Please compare. This pasta tastes delicious. It means that the pasta has a flavor which is nice. Here we use the present simple. Before serving, the cook is tasting the soup. It means that the cook is testing or trying the flavor of the soup. Here we use the present continuous. In the first example, we were talking about the flavor, and in the second example, about trying this flavor. Our next verb is smell. For example, these flowers smell nice. In this sentence, we are talking about the aroma of these flowers. I'm smelling the flowers. In this sentence, we are talking about the process of sniffing the flowers. And now, time for the quiz. Please follow the link in the video description to do the quiz and check how you understand this grammar. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.